Ayaw mo pala.
Ba't ka pipito?
Ano yan eh? Ang tawag doon?
Remembrance yan. Ay, dati meron pa sa taas doon.
Ay, yung pangit.
Ayan, ang ganda. 1, 2. Kasama ang ano. Ay, bakit?
Ah, oo. Meron. Correct.
Hi guys, nagpunta po muna kami sa Walmart kasi ni-refund po namin yung chair pati yung table na binili namin kasi missing parts po sila. So, Walmart before airport. Agi. Are you excited? Yun nga sabi ko.
Excited. Excited na.
But we're going to eat first. Going to eat first.
Sa kami. Philippines na kami, Philippines.
Hindi ko po. Po kami ngayon sa Jollibee. Yan. Treat po ni Kuya Marv. Yan. Thank you, Kuya Marv. Kasama po namin si Pastor Alan, si Pastor Joel. Ha?
Kanin na.
Grabe. Dami.
Ninong Pastor Alan, di ba?
Bigyan ng baboy yan. Pastor, ang mahal nun ha. Isang baboy ha.
Ang baboy yan.
Guys, we're here at the airport.
Ganito, yeah.
Kahit pa, opo, okay lang po yun. Guys, we're here at the airport.
Kasama mo?
Kasi nag-selfie.
Tara.
Ha? Hindi. Hi, guys. Adi. So guys, nandito na po kami. Nag-aantay po ng mag-check-in. WestJet, we're going to Vancouver first. Our first stopover. Our flight is 9:45 p.m. and time check it's 5:47 p.m. Look at my Flappy, my travel bunny.
Picture pa.
Take a picture there.
You know, the road.
Hindi. We're trying to vlog po. No po, parang
Try lang po.
document.
Okay. What's your channel?
Po?
Anong channel mo sa
Ano po, parang wala po, wala.
right?
Yeah, but it's been a while.
So I need a notification.
Opo, yeah. Verification.
For how long?
1 month.
Ayan po, kamusta po kayo dito?
Nakakasaya naman.
Ayos.
Just kidding.
Okay, so ilang bag ang check?
No, check the other one.
Yeah, what is good?
Good.
Okay.
So, just...
We're going to put the sticker.
Yes, yeah, we know. So I'll put the flame stub at the back of your boarding passes.
Okay.
So this is a 2-in-1 boarding pass. Edmonton, Vancouver, Vancouver, Manila. Same boarding pass. Okay?
Same boarding pass.
Yes, there you go.
Thank you po. Ayun, nilalagay na po yung luggage namin. Mabait po si Kuya.
Alright. You guys are good? Leave the cart on this side here.
Okay po. Thank you po. So we're going going to leave our bag here.
Oo.
Adi, leave lang daw yung carton. Yeah, we're going to immigration.
Saan na tayo?
Opo. Parang may upuan na ano. Tsaka po hanapin po namin yung gate namin.
Ano yung sasakay pa kayo, di ba, ng ano?
Ng,
Dadalhin pa kayo dun.
kay Mama Yoli lang po siya kasi ano po siya, di ba po, assist.
Ah, pero pag ano, lakad lang kayo.
Opo, lakad po talaga.
Kamukha naman tayo.
Adi, papasok na ba tayo or later daw?
Stop, sige po ah.
Adi.
Nak, God bless. Ano eh? Bye po. Ingat ha. Oo. Ingat. Enjoy ha. Enjoy kayo sa...
See you next month.
See you next month.
Bye
Sandali
po.
lang yun. Enjoy nyo lang ha. Maging blessing kayo doon. Oo. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Yun ang pinamahalaga. Oo. Pag naging blessing kayo, lalo sila mabe-bless sa inyo. Sige, sige. Tara, tara. Hindi ka makasap.
Adi.
All good? Oh, you need to stand.
Oh.
Just get your boarding pass. Just right this way, thank you. I'm just gonna do some additional screening, guys. If
Okay.
you want, you can continue. If you want, you can go with it. It's up to you.
Oh, okay.
Dito na po kami. Dito na po kami papunta na.
We're going to gate 54.
Dati nandun kami. Oh. Yun, nandun kami dati. Pakita mo.
Nag-hello kami kay Mama Yoli.
Oo, nag-hello tayo kay Mama Yoli. Pauwi siya ng Pilipinas.
Oh.
Ngayon tayo na nandito. Ayun na di, Westjet oh. Kaya meron ka. Pakita mo. Gano'n mag-vlog ate.
Okay.
Paano ma-entertain kayo, no? Kung may sinasabi kami, tapos di niya nakikita.
Naiihina ko, iniisip ko yung ihi ko. Gusto ko na mag-wash.
Doon oh, meron doon.
Dapat awa ka mo, Adi, tapos ako din i-video mo din ako. Hi guys.
Anong number, Adi? Siguro?
Yeah, dito. Hi guys, we're waiting for our flight. Our flight is 9:45 and it's 6:35 p.m. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So we still have 3 hours of waiting.
Gusto mo doon tayo?
So, mainit dun, Adi.
Sarap ba?
Yeah. So we're waiting. Adi,
Oo.
waiting 3 hours. Hi guys, nag-iikot-ikot po kami. Kasi we still have 3 hours para
Kami sa aeroplano.
mag-wait.
Pa Vancouver.
So, dito, duyan, no? Ayun, no? Yun yung picture niya. Wait lang, guys. Hi, guys. We're waiting. Waiting for our flight. We're in the gate 54 and then we're waiting for our flight. 2 hours more. Say hello to Adi.
Hello. Kita sa
Hi guys. Ayan yung palatandaan mo na ayan yung passport mo. Kumbaga pag tinignan mo, kahit hindi mo na i-open, alam mo, ito yung sa'yo, ito yung akin. Hi guys. Boarding na po namin. Time check. Mine 26. We're still waiting. Time check 9:39. He's fixing his neck pillow.
Baliktad pa.
Look, tingnan niyo kung paano niya tanggal.
Baliktad pa.
So, tagal. Hi guys. So, we're boarding na. Bobby. Dapat nag-video ka. Dapat both. Nag-video ka sa phone mo. Nag-video ako sa phone ko para different angle. So guys, we are here. Yung traffic ko. So, eto na nga. This is a pillow with blanket inside. I know, right? Yes. Thank
there.
you.
There you go. Good. Let's go.
Welcome on board. Please step into your row.
Guys, nasa airplane na kami. It's 10:17 and I'm in the window seat. So, let's go.
Parang pangit din. Ano? Isang sisig. City lights.
Bye, Edmonton.
Bayad mo doon. Punta na kami Vancouver. Ganda.
Hi guys, we're going to arrive in Vancouver Airport. It's 11:52. Hi, we just landed in Vancouver. Time check. It's 11:13.
Sa St. Paul,
Ano, sa Edmonton, it's 12:13. And here in Vancouver, it's 11. Parang 1 hour different. Ito na guys. Ito na kami.
Bye, thank you.
My legs are so stiff. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh.
My legs are so stiff.
Oh. Go ahead. Go ahead, Daddy. Adi, na ano na yung bag mo. Taas mo yan, Adi. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Enjoy.
Up.
It's very hot there. Remember I used to cry when people, I used to cry when people left the party that I set it up. Remember?
Yan po, ng oras na. Adi, stop mo. O, tingin, Adi. Taas mo. Ito, Vancouver Duty Free. Shopping ka muna. Ito kami sa Vancouver Airport, International Airport. Huli ka muna sa Sephora. Ha?
Guys, we're kinda lost. We're looking for our gates and we're looking for saan kami to check in. So big. Like this airport, it's so big. This is the duty free inside the airport. It's so
Mickey Mouse. Adi, tingin. Ah. Ito siya.
Hi guys. Nandito kami sa A&W. We're going to order. We're going to eat first. We're hungry. Ako lang pala yung hungry.
Hindi ako hungry. Wala appetite.
With appetite. Pero it's a long flight.
Yun nga.
So, kanina guys, muntik na. Muntik na kasi like 10 kilogram lang yung maximum ng bagahe. Like for our bagay. Ano yun? I forgot what they call it. They're like yung hindi chine-check-in baggage. Like hand carry, yeah. 10 kilogram lang. So, but we're using the same bag. So, the total of our baggage is 20 kilograms. So, parang saktong-sakto lang guys. So, muntik na hindi umabot. Yeah. But the last time I traveled, hindi siya pinilo yung parang second hand carry mo. But this is heavy because there's a lot of stuff. We're eating Subway. We're going inside.
Li Chen, Ming Chen Chen, Ting Chen, Mary Daniel Cudella, Melanie Nickdal, Khalil Chanel Gabo,
So we're going to the airplane. Oh, gusto niya David yan na siya. Our seat is at the back of the plane. That's why kami yung mag-uuna.
Oh, ayan yung aeroplano. Yun na ate, okay na yan. Korean Airline. Ako kami, pupunta na kaming Manila. Dito kami sa Vancouver. Philippine Airline. Okay.
I'm boarding pass mo.
Sorry. Oh.
We're going to the Philippines.
Philippines na.
Let's go. scrambled egg. There's a potato here. And I think it's bacon. This one. We have some fruits. And we're watching Miracles from Heaven. It's nice. It's a nice movie. It's about our faith despite all the trials. It's still dark. And you only have 1 hour and 21 minutes.
Alam mo kung gaano tayo kabilis. Ano po tayo? 902 kilometers per hour. Sa kotse, sa daan lang. Sobrang lipat na.
At Manila with light winds with a ground temperature of 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees Fahrenheit. We estimate our arrival time to be at 5:30 a.m. on a Monday and should be on the gate 10 to 15 minutes thereafter. Please enjoy the rest of the flight and would like to thank you for choosing to fly Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Hi guys, time check. It's 2:05 in Vancouver time. And we can see the city lights in the Philippines. We only have 25 minutes until our arrival. So I'll show you. It's kind of blurred for now because it's dark. But as you can see, it's the city lights, so it means we're in Manila, like we're in the Philippines.
job, pilot. You did it good.
So we're here in Manila.
Well done, pilot. Good job.
We're here in Manila.
Balik na daw sa Pilipinas. Hindi na makapaniwala. Nandito to. Kanina nasa Pilipinas ako. Ay, Pilipinas sa Canada. Hindi. One day na pala yun. Hindi, 16 hours. Wala pang one day yun. Suot mo na yung mga suot mo.
Look, outside is so green. Green grass. Hi guys, we're going to take off the plane. Guys, so yay!
We're not used to it. Let's go, guys. Philippines, Israel.
Adi, yan ang gusto sabihin.
Philippines, andito na kami. After 7 years.
Adi, yan. It's hot. So we're here in the Philippines. We're going to immigration. And then we're going to show our e-travel. So, pupunta po kami sa immigration. Sobrang haba ng pila.
Adi oh. Sa Pilipinas na daw siya. Ako din. After 7 years po.
So, pupunta po kami sa immigration.
Diretso Adi. Adi, nahulog na.
Yes.
Hindi tayo Adi. Oo, okay lang yan. Lagay mo na lang dyan. Ayun o, ganyan mo. Hindi. Ito.
Sukat Adi. Go Adi. So, ayan, 1 down. 3 more luggage to go. Dapat alis to ka, Adi, ah. The pink. Adi, yung isa. Yabon mo.
Passengers on Philippine Airlines, flight PR 536 from Jakarta. Please claim your baggage at carousel number 3. Attention to all incoming passengers on Philippine Airlines, flight
Isa
PR
na lang.
536
Yeah.
from Jakarta. Please claim your baggage at carousel number 3.
Gusto ko na maguba.
One more na lang. Guys. Ayan na, Adi. There.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yung po, nakuha na namin lahat ng bagahe namin.
It's
Go.
hot.
It's hot. Napashort na nga po ako. Dito na ako nagbihis. Sorry. Dito na. Dito na yan, di ba? Ask, Adi. Let's ask. Ano bang dapat i-ask? Hindi ko rin alam. Ha? Looks like this one, Adi. Looks like this. Ay, sorry. Ito na po, lalabas na kami. Pilipinas na po. After 7 years. Oh, Oh, we can go? E-trap. Si NJ nasa Pilipinas na daw po. After 7 years, di makapaniwala. Ito na. Ito na, guys. Ito na! Entrance, exit ba yan, Adi? Tara, let's go. Thank you, kuya. Ayan sila, Adi. It's hot! Doon po ba? Sobrang init, guys. Ang init, promise. Yeah, we gotta go there. Alright.
Thank you, kuya. Ano?
Ang init, Adi. I'm here already in the Philippines. Wow. Daw makapaniwala, guys. Promise. Kami sasakyan sa Pilipinas, so paporma. SUV lang yan. Hey. Sobra, guys. Kapag makikita niya dito, ngayon lang ulit ako nakauwi after 7 years. Mixed emotions, guys. Promise. Ano, ganda ng truck. Ano pa lang, oh. Van pa lang, forma na. Talaga sa Pilipinas. Canada, hindi masyado maalaga ang sasakyan.
Adi, so
Babanggaan pa. Tingnan mo yung yung Hyundai, oh. That Hyundai, bro. First time I saw that. That cool. Bro, it's hot. Video lang. Wala pa kanya. Already in the Philippines.
Guys,
Wow.
it's so hot.
SUV lang yan.
Guys, it's so hot. I'm sweating.
guys, promise. Ano, ganda ng ano, truck. Ano pa lang, urban pa lang. Normal lang. Ano sa Pilipinas. Maalaga akong sakyan. Uy, no, tingnan mo yung ano, Hyundai. The Hyundai, bro. First time I saw that. Not cool. Bro, it's hot. Oh, tawa ka. Ito lang. CRB in Philippines.
Magnetad.
Ano yan sa'yo?
Wala. Oo, okay na yan.
Ha?
Okay na yan.
Ikaw?
Okay lang ako.
Kailangan ko eh. Tingnan mo yung pawis ko.
Photon daw na white. Sarado mo na agad. Sarado mo na ibagahin mo nga dito.
Dito na nga kaya, di nga komportable yan. Guys, di na kaya yung init, guys. Sobrang init, guys. Promise, di ko kaya.
So that's our service, the white van.
Guys, yung service namin pang mayaman, guys.
Yeah, that's the service. I'll grab. Ouch. So,
Sige lang po, salamat po ah.
Ano ba yan? Nalalaki na
hello,
ang katawan
tita.
niya. Ang tataba niyo nga mo. Ano ba yan?
Adi, let's go.
Ay,
Ay, tita, hello po. Bless po. Bless.
pasok ka muna.
Kamusta po kayo? Bless po.
Let's go.
Hello. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Guys, we're here now.
Doon namin si ano ay,
Look.
si Kuya ay, si Dada nag-drive. Papunta kami ng Cavite ah. Bigot na kayo. Oo, kumali kami.
Adi. The one is so big. Big, big, big. To the airport. So we're going to eat in Nasari.
Let's go. Ha? Come with me. Ay, sa akin. Ay, ayaw sa akin. Kay mama daw, kay mama.
Oh. Ada.
Saan po tayo, tita? Baka pwede pa po.
Anong oras open?
Pakitaan niyo po ng maraming pera. Ano ganun.
Maraming tao. Close pa yung Inasal, but we're going to Jollibee. Jabi. Hazel's iPad left behind.
Bakit?
Ngayon si Chinel.
Ay, na
Bobby! We're drinking Coke float. Bina-vlog ko nga.
Lahat po binablog niya.
Guys, I'm going to eat my Jolly Hot Dog. Bagahe. Yung mais daw.
Nandito po yung mais.
Yung isa